Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Over 40% of you who watch my videos are international, and that got me thinking, why am I always sharing what we do here in the US? I want to hear what you're doing. I have always been fascinated with other cultures. In case you guys don't know this about me, I spent my junior year of college living in West Africa. I spent a summer living in the Philippines. I've backpacked all around Europe and parts of South America. So I have seen and experienced so many cultures, and I just find it so fascinating. And if you are new here to my channel, welcome. Please take a moment to subscribe and also follow me over on Instagram. I am giving away $1,000 cash to 2 of you randomly watching on January 8th. I'm just picking somebody who is an active subscriber, who comments on my videos and my Instagram posts. So make sure you are doing that. And with all of that said, let's take our trip around the world, shall we? So let's first have a chat about the biggest thing that came from all around the world. And when I say all around the world, this is including but not limited to Kazakhstan, Denmark, Romania, Canada, Lithuania, Croatia, Austria, Slovakia, Poland, Turkey, Japan, Germany, Bahrain, India, Iran, Norway, Sweden, Bangladesh, Finland, Scotland, China, Nepal, Estonia, and Russia. Y'all are wearing house slippers. So the clean home habit here, to be clear, is when you walk into the house, there's a mat or a special rack for shoes, and then at that point you switch into either house slippers, socks, or even barefoot. It is gross to be tracking around things outside and then walking on your beautifully clean floors. I get it. Believe it or not, that is not extremely common here in the US. Out of everybody that I know, I would say maybe like 1 or 2 require their guests to take their shoes off when they enter. And I personally do always wear my house slippers in the house. The problem is I can't get the men in my life on board. Coming in all the way from Moldova, and she says that once a week they take their rugs out in the back and they beat them with a stick to clean it. And I thought, you know what? That sounds absolutely fun. The question is, where am I going to find a stick? So the best I could come up with was this orange picker or a broom. I think we'll go with the broom. Just get your rugs out back here and just start going to town. Woo! This is amazing. I actually see the dirt like flying off. I don't know if that's gonna get on camera. Bonus points for being fun. I do have to say, I'm definitely getting more dirt off of these doing this than if I were just to shake it, you know? And I just realized here I am wearing my house slippers out on the muddy grass, which completely defeats the purpose. While we're outside, my friends over in Germany say that once a week they like to take their pillows and blankets outside and let them air out, get some fresh air. Now that I think about it, when was the last time I let these babies outside to breathe? I've been suffocating my poor pillows. Okay, so we're gonna hang them up, let them hang out here for the day, see the sights, get some fresh air. Look at that. They're having a nice little pool day today. I love this idea. Love it. Now, I will definitely say the folks in Latin America are having the most fun. People wrote in from Mexico, Venezuela, Colombia, Dominican Republic, saying that what they do is they get the music going, they get the family involved, they sing and they dance while they clean. So I have my cleaning assistant here. He's gonna help me sing and dance while we clean. How do you dance? Next one is one of the most popular international clean home habit, from Australia to Mexico to Senegal to Croatia, and that is air drying your clothes outside versus using a dryer. I feel like dryers are mostly common here in the US, correct me if I'm wrong, but look, air drying your clothes, it makes a lot more sense. It's more economical, it's better for the environment, and there's benefits to air drying your clothes. The sun will help brighten your white. Sounds like the apocalypse out here. Any country I've ever visited or lived in has done this. I hope we all can appreciate my creative setup we have going on here. I ran out of space here, but we get the picture. I'm gonna leave these out here, see how long it takes to dry. All right, this next one was coming in hot from many people, probably over 30 people from Mexico. said Fabuloso. A lot of people said specifically the purple and the green, but the only one I could get in time was this blue one, so we're just gonna work with it. This says that it is a multi-surface cleaner, but a lot of you specifically said you love using this on the floors. So let's have a little sniff, shall we? This scent is Ocean Paradise. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It kind of smells like a really good laundry detergent, like a fresh, clean laundry detergent. So we're gonna try and use this on the floor. All right, so I have my Fabuloso in a spray bottle, and then my Swiffer. Instead of using the Swiffer pads, I use a microfiber cloth. That's a little cost-saving tip for you. That smells nice. That smells so fresh. I love the smell of that. And let me also say this, the price is right. Very, very affordable. Okay, so my initial impressions, the floor looks very, very clean. The scent is amazing. So I understand the hype, I believe the hype, and my house right now smells so fresh. Someone wrote in from Saudi Arabia and said that after the home is fully cleaned, they light something called bakor. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And that is what they use to have a nice fragrance in the home. So what that is, I looked it up. They are wood chips soaked in fragrant oils and mixed with other natural ingredients like musk, sandalwood, essential oils. So I obviously don't have that here, but what it reminded me of was my favorite fragrance oil that I use anyway, Santal, because this is kind of a woodsy, earthy, natural scent, but at the same time very luxurious. So this is gonna give me my bakor vibes. And yes, I fully agree. To me, the house is not fully clean until it is also smelling good. This next one was coming in hot from Brazil and also Israel. They said that it is common for bathrooms to have drains all throughout the floors of the bathroom, and to clean them they use a bucket with water and then squeegee the water into the drain. Okay, that's cool. I obviously don't have drains built into this floor, so that will be hard to recreate. But the reason I'm down here anyway is because someone from Korea wrote in and said that there it is not as common to mop, and instead they're on their hands and knees scrubbing the floor by hand. So that's what we're gonna do today, because I can't say I've done that maybe ever. My question is this gonna hurt my knees? I feel like that's gonna hurt. All right, got a little towel for my knees for some knee support. Wow, when you're really up close and personal with your floors, you can see how dirty they are. They're gross. Alright, here's what I will say. It was a lot faster than I was anticipating. Also, being so close to the floor, I have much better visibility of what's on here and I can clean it better. That being said, it did feel like a little bit of a workout. I feel like I needed something that would help my knees glide better, like knee pads or something. Now, I don't want to pick favorites, but if I had to pick a favorite, this one would probably be it. It's coming in from the Philippines, and I remember this from when I was living there. And that is covering things in plastic to keep it clean. This is including but not limited to new items like a phone or electronics. You keep that plastic on there as long as possible. Also your couch. Cover that in a nice little plastic liner. Is it gonna be comfortable? Perhaps not. Is that couch gonna look as good as new in 15 years? Absolutely it will. The specific tip that came in from a subscriber of mine was covering the remote in plastic wrap. This will prevent the remote from getting grimy in between the buttons. No one likes a grimy remote, okay? I'm just gonna wrap it. We're gonna swaddle it like a newborn baby here. Beautiful, nice, clean, pristine. And guess what? No more will you have gunk built up between the buttons of your remote. And last but certainly not least, we got a hot tip coming in from the good old US of A. Had to include USA, right? She said, in the US we throw our mess under furniture so it can't be seen. And I have to say, as an American, that is very true. This one will really save you time. Boom, just like that. No more mess. All right, so on that note, I am going to wrap up this week's video. I have way more tips than I was able to put into this video. So if you did enjoy it, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know you would like to see this become a series. I have big ideas for where I want to take this. Also, thank you to every single person who participated and sent in your tips. It is just so humbling to me when I see where you are watching from and that so many people from around the world are taking time out to watch my videos. That just means so much to me. If you watched all the way to the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me over on Instagram. Again, I do have a $2,000 cash giveaway that is international. All the details for that are in the description box, so check there. And with all of that being said, I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.
Hey, you're wearing shoes on. You're supposed to wear slippers. Mom, I need a slipper, please. Look what you have to wear. Mom, look what you have to wear.
Oh, slippers. Oh, you're right. I totally forgot.
Yeah, now you're on the naughty list. You just get plain things now by Santa.
I just get plain things?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like just rams and tracks.
Oh, okay. I only get plain things?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe.
Don't be sad.
But I'm sad about that.
Yeah, well, don't worry. It's going to come with a car.
Oh, okay. I get a car with it too. Okay, good.